Apple's European ambition and the new intelligence wave. Apple holds a significant 24% market share in Europe. Their new intelligence technology has generated a lot of excitement. This technology promises to revolutionize how we interact with our devices. However, there are potential delays in its European release. These delays are due to a complex interplay of regulatory challenges, technical issues, and market dynamics. Europe has strong privacy regulations, particularly the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. These regulations impact how companies collect, store, and use personal data. Apple's new technology relies heavily on data processing. This raises concerns about compliance with GDPR and potential risks to user privacy. The delay highlights the importance of balancing innovation with user protection. Apple must ensure their technology aligns with European values. It's a delicate dance between pushing technological boundaries and respecting user rights. The outcome will shape the future of tech adoption in Europe. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, is a landmark regulation in Europe. It sets strict rules for data protection and privacy. GDPR emphasizes user consent, data minimization, and transparency. Companies must be clear about what data they collect and how they use it. Apple's new intelligence technology relies on processing vast amounts of user data. This raises concerns about compliance with GDPR's stringent requirements. For example, the technology might need to access sensitive information. This includes location data, browsing history, and even personal messages. GDPR mandates that companies obtain explicit consent for such data processing. Apple needs to implement robust mechanisms to ensure user consent is freely given, specific, informed, and unambiguous. They also need to provide clear and concise information about data usage. Failure to comply with GDPR can result in hefty fines. More importantly, it can damage user trust. Apple is acutely aware of these risks and is taking steps to address them. Developing technology that respects user privacy is a complex task. Apple's new intelligence technology presents unique challenges. It requires access to personal data to function effectively. However, this access must be balanced with user privacy and security. One of the key technical hurdles is ensuring data security. Apple needs to implement robust encryption and anonymization techniques. This will protect user data from unauthorized access and potential breaches. They also need to address concerns about data storage and transfer. Another challenge is ensuring transparency and user control. Apple must provide users with clear information about what data is collected and how it is used. They also need to give users control over their data. This includes the ability to access, correct, or delete their data. Apple is known for its commitment to user privacy. They have a strong track record of implementing privacy-enhancing technologies. However, the complexity of their new intelligence technology requires even greater vigilance and innovation in their approach. Section 4. The competitive arena, delays and opportunities. The delay in Europe presents both challenges and opportunities for Apple and its competitors. For Apple, it means a potential loss of market share. European consumers eager to experience the new technology might turn to competitors who can offer similar features without delays. Competitors like Samsung, Google, and Huawei are all vying for a larger piece of the European market. They are closely watching Apple's moves and are ready to capitalize on any missteps. These companies are also investing heavily in their own intelligence technologies. However, the delay also gives Apple's competitors a chance to catch up. They can learn from Apple's approach and potentially develop even more innovative and privacy-conscious solutions. This competition could ultimately benefit consumers by driving innovation and offering more choices. Section 5. Apple's proactive diplomacy, navigating the regulatory maze. Apple is known for its proactive approach to regulatory challenges. They are actively engaging with European regulators to address concerns about their new intelligence technology. This includes open dialogue, transparency about data practices, and a willingness to adapt their technology to meet European standards. Apple understands that building trust with regulators is crucial for the successful launch of their technology. They are working to demonstrate their commitment to user privacy and compliance with GDPR. This includes providing detailed information about data processing activities, conducting privacy impact assessments, and implementing appropriate security measures. Apple's proactive approach is a strategic move that could pay off in the long run. By working collaboratively with regulators, they aim to ensure a smooth and timely rollout of their technology in Europe. This approach also positions them as a responsible tech leader in the region. Section 6. The waiting game: consumer impact and market shifts. The delay in Apple's new intelligence technology is creating a sense of anticipation and uncertainty in the European market. Consumers are eager to experience the next generation of technology, but they are also concerned about privacy implications. The delay could impact consumer behavior in several ways. Some consumers might postpone their purchase decisions, waiting for the official release of Apple's technology. Others might explore alternative options from competitors who are ready to fill the void. This waiting game creates an opportunity for competitors to gain a foothold in the market. They can attract consumers who are looking for immediate access to new features, or who are concerned about privacy risks associated with Apple's technology. Section 7. A hopeful horizon: Apple's commitment to Europe. Despite the delays, Apple remains committed to the European market. They recognize the importance of Europe as a key region for innovation and technology adoption. Apple's proactive engagement with regulators and their focus on user privacy are positive signs. Apple is investing heavily in research and development in Europe. They are also creating jobs and contributing to the European economy. Their commitment to Europe extends beyond just selling products. They aim to be a long-term partner in Europe's digital future. The delay in Apple's new intelligence technology highlights the complex interplay between innovation, regulation, and consumer expectations. While the wait might be frustrating for some, it also underscores the importance of responsible technology development and the need for a balanced approach that prioritizes both innovation and user privacy.